Today, you'll practice everyday answers for hotels, airports, events, and service desks, all in one place. How was your stay?
It was really comfortable. The room was clean and the staff were helpful.
What was the room like?
The room was nice and clean, with everything I needed.
How was the service?
The service was good. Everyone was polite and easy to talk to.
What did you like about the hotel?
I liked the location and how quiet the room was.
What could have been better?
The room could have been a little bigger, but overall, it was fine.
How was your flight?
It was pretty smooth. A bit tiring, but nothing too bad.
What was the airport like?
It was quite busy, but the process was fairly organized.
How long did check-in take?
It took around 30 minutes because there were a lot of people.
What did you do while waiting?
I grabbed a coffee, checked my phone, and waited near the gate.
How do you usually feel before flying?
I usually feel a bit rushed, but I relax once I'm on the plane.
How was the event?
It was really nice. There were lots of people, and the atmosphere was great.
What did you enjoy most?
I enjoyed the music and the chance to meet a few new people.
What was the crowd like?
The crowd was friendly and relaxed, so it felt comfortable.
How long did you stay?
I stayed for a couple of hours, then headed home before it got too late.
What made the event memorable?
The atmosphere made it memorable. It felt lively without being too overwhelming.
How can I help you today?
I need some help with this item. I'm not sure what the issue is.
What seems to be the problem?
It doesn't seem to be working properly, and I'm not sure why.
What happened when you tried to use it?
It started normally, but then it suddenly stopped working.
What would you like us to do?
I'd like to know if it can be fixed or replaced.
How long have you had it?
I've had it for about 2 weeks, so it's still quite new.
Great job. Practice this lesson a few times, and these answers will start to sound natural. See you in the next one.